More updates coming in. It's the latest statement coming in from DK Shivkumar, and he says that nobody's really called me to Delhi. He says that I have several events lined up. This is amid Mallikarjun Kharge's statement that both the Chief Minister and DK Shivkumar will be summoned to Delhi for talks. DK Shivkumar saying nobody called me.
ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ.
So DK Shivkumar says tomorrow Anganwadi programs have been scheduled and that is what he will be attending tomorrow.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
So nonchalant response by DK Shivkumar when asked about when he will be meeting the High Command. DK Shivkumar says that nobody has really called me to Delhi. And then he goes on to say that tomorrow I have some programs that have been lined up and that's what I'm going to be attending. So Imran, same response from Siddaramaiah, who said that nobody has called me. I'm in Karnataka. I have not been asked to come to Delhi. DK Shivkumar again says nobody has called me to Delhi. I have some programs lined up for tomorrow. So when is this meeting expected to happen? Because the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge clearly says that we will be speaking to both the leaders, and clearly these two leaders themselves are not aware of when this meeting will take place.
Well, the 39th, the parliamentary meeting is happening in Delhi, chaired by Sonia Gandhi. In that meeting, the Karnataka issue will be discussed, and after that, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi will chair another special meeting on Karnataka. The 29th meeting is crucial. After that, the CM and Deputy CM both will be called. As of right now, both of them haven't been told anything. Kharge also said that we will go today and meet Rahul Gandhi, and we'll have a discussion at 3 p.m. And after that, what we get to know is that 29, the parliamentary meeting, the Karnataka issue will be discussed, and after that both CM and Deputy CM will be called to Delhi. It's mostly likely to happen on 31st or 1st of November is what we're getting to know.
Okay, all right, but DK Shivkumar says that he has not been called to Delhi. Here's what he said.
ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
So DK Shivkumar says that he has not been summoned to the national capital. Interestingly, that's the same that Siddaramaiah said as well. He said he has not been called to Delhi, but Mallikarjun Kharge has confirmed that there will be a meeting with the two leaders and the top leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Randeep Surjewala, KC Venugopal, all will be in attendance. But let's also take a look at the message that DK Shivkumar has sent to quite clearly the High Command. Now, this was the social media post that was put up by DK Shivkumar. Now, remember, there is a talk about the power sharing, 2.5 years each, and now 2.5 years have been completed, which means, according to this secret pact, DK Shivkumar should become the Chief Minister. And look at the interesting messaging. DK Shivkumar putting a picture, speaking to the media person. He says, word power is world power. The biggest force in the world was to keep one's word. So he's talking about keeping one's word. Is it a clear message to the High Command? Keep your word. He says, be it a judge, president, or anyone else, including myself, everyone has to walk the talk. Word power is the world power. This is the message that DK Shivkumar had, many interpreting it as a clear message to the High Command. Now the question is, are we just days away from actually knowing whether there will be a CM change in Karnataka? There have been speculations right from the start of the Congress government, but now all indications coming in that DK Shivkumar's patience is actually wearing thin, including this post that we just put out for you. The drama is likely to shift to Delhi, where sources say the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister would be summoned for the discussions with the senior leaders of the party. Amid these speculations, though, one point is clear. DK Shivkumar says very clearly that the High Command should walk the talk. That's